Bonjour tout le monde. Hi everyone. Today's lesson is about the subject pronouns. So we're going to learn what they are. Let's start with first understanding what a verb is and what a subject is. In French, as it is in English, the subject of a verb can be a person or a thing that carries out an action. And the verb expresses the action itself. Let's look at an example. Le professeur parle français. The professor speaks French. In this specific sentence, your verb is speaks. This is the action, okay? And your subject is the professor. Because who is speaking? It's the professor. The professor speaks French. So the professor is the subject of the verb to speak. It is the same in French. Le professeur is the subject of the verb parle. A subject pronouns replace a noun that is the subject of a verb. So what does that mean? Instead of saying Paul speaks French, Paul parle français, we are going to use he. He speaks French. And he is called a subject pronoun. He replaces the word Paul. So you just have to remember that a pronoun avoids a repetition. So let's look at what the subject pronouns are in French. Listen and repeat after me. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. A few things you need to notice. Remember that tu is the informal you. You use it when you are talking to your friend, for example. And vous, which also means you in English, is the formal way of saying you. You use it when you speak to me, for example, or when you want to speak to a group of friends, then you use vous. The second thing you need to notice is about the pronunciation of il, elle, and il, elle. They are pronounced exactly the same. The S here is mute. You do not pronounce the S. Okay? So it's il, elle. Il, elle. When you have a group that has a boy and a girl, for example, or a man and a woman, so a mixed group, in French, we always use the masculine they. So here we would say, ils dansent très bien. They dance very well. Or, ils sont de Dakar. They are from Dakar. Okay? Even if in the group we do have a lady. And that's it for now. Merci beaucoup.